You've actually said a lot considering you started off saying you didn't want to say anything. You've given us quite a lot.
Well, you did a good job, John.
Yeah. This, if you remember, yeah, this is. If I'm lying, right, all what you said there, if I was lying to you, or you didn't say you quit, then I'll make myself look idiot. But when it's on here,
this is my question. If you're such a good champion and such a great guy, and I'm such a bum in this, why are you going to get in the best shape of your life and you gotta get on TV and flex, ooh, and show everybody? Like, if you was the best, you would be the best. You don't gotta talk.
What makes you confident in your abilities? What makes you confident?
Do you remember that? Do you remember how you felt? Do you remember how you felt in that fight? Yeah. Do you remember that win? Do you remember when that stopped? Do you remember that?
Yeah, I remember.
Do you remember?
I remember.
Do you remember that feeling you had just before you said, I'm done? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Do you remember that again?
Okay.
Watch this, you beat the count. You beat the count.
I think this guy's in love with me. Every time I look around, he's like looking at my pictures. He's trying to flex like me, putting on TikToks like me, like flexing. Ooh, I got a six-pack now. Like, guys, I had a six-pack since I was 6.
I ain't done you no good though, is it?
You've never been
world champion. You've never been world champion. Well, listen, I'll tell you what gives me good confidence. It gives me good confidence to know where I've come from. I've been dragged up. I have been dragged up fighting. I don't know if you know what gypsies are.
Just got a six-pack 3 weeks ago.
We fight when we have to. We fight every day. I can fight every day of the week. Okay. Now, I have come from nothing to where I've come from now by eating rubbish, by eating cab. Blowing up.
Look at me, I finally got some. I'm blowing up to 15
Now, you're so, now listen, now I mentioned you quit, now all of a sudden he's come alive.
No, that's not like Kermit the Frog, no?
I've got him. I've got him. Listen, you know, yeah, you said you quit. Boxers don't quit. Boxers cannot say quit. If your trainer pulled you out, I was your trainer and I would have said, fair play. But you said to yourself, I'm done. When you admit to yourself you're done, you're done. So, anybody who says they're done do not deserve to be world champion. You're in the wrong game. You should go back to the Michael Jackson dancing. You're a very good dancer. That's what you should do, because that is no good whatsoever for our game. If ever a quitter won a world title, then boxing is a circus. Because it's like saying McGregor was going to beat Mayweather. It's never going to happen. You're never going to beat me. So that's just the way it is. Until I know that you need your team around you. I know you need your team around you to make you feel comfortable. Willie, you can win this, Willie. You know, please listen. You can do this, Willie. You believe it, but deep down, you know. You know deep down. I can look at you. You've come over in England. You broke down crying on TV. Do you know how embarrassing that is? You're like a kid. I've got 8-year-old kids. I've got 10-year-old. I've got 1-year-old. I've got 4 kids. None of them have broken down and cried. You broke down and cried because you got a little bit emotional. So how are you going to do when I'm on top of you, the best shape of my life, beating you down to the ground?
I should shut up right now because I look stupid.
Well, listen, all the talking's done. All I can say is all the talking's done to everybody.
Maybe I should stop talking and wrap it up.
You will see the best of me come Saturday night. When he says I've gone away to get myself in shape, I've gone away because I know what's in front of me. I know I've got a multi-million-pound fight in front of me. Yes, you had that in front of you. You had that in front of you. You had all the belts in front of you. But tell you didn't do. You quit. So God wouldn't give you another chance.
Maybe if I tell him he quit,
it's my time.
Show up to the fight.
Listen, there's a queue in front of this door and you're standing in front of me. I'm going to bitch. Oh, no problem.
Question.
Billy Joe.
How does it feel that England is not behind you? That they call you an embarrassment to your country? And that you carry yourself without dignity?
Who said that? Who said that?
Let the man finish.
I have seen tons of people in direct message saying, we are from England, we are from the UK, we are with Saunders-Monroe Jr. He's an embarrassment.
Who the fuck is that guy?
I'm your subconscious.
Let him finish, let the man finish, let the man finish, let the man finish.
My question overall is just saying that
it's a press conference.
There's people in your own country that call you an embarrassment. How does that make you feel?
Damn good. Damn good. It makes me feel damn good, because I tell you what, most of the haters are going to become lovers, and you are as well one day, my friend, and stay off the pies. Because you can't get naked in front of a woman looking like that. I've got a good diet for you. You come to the Dingle Gym. Matter of fact, we've got the Dingle Gym for you.
Any more questions?
That's another joke that didn't go over.
Another joke that
Any more questions?
I'm self-conscious.
Are we done?
I think so.
Okay. Well, there will be opportunities, I'm sure, to talk one-on-one with these guys. Who are...
Oh my God! Don't start crying. Don't start crying. Look at me. Don't cry. Look at me then.
I prayed.
Please look at me.
And I told you I just wanted to come
Dear
here.
Lord, please. I also pray to you. We have a good fight, and I know that I'll win.
I just want to make my money.
Just
this guy
and make your money and go home and feed your daughter. That's what you got to do. Your new little born daughter. Now look me in the eye, Willie.
God,
look me in the eye, Willie.
Please save this man.
Look me in the eye, Willie. Look me in the eye.
Please save
now listen, your teammates know now. Who you come over with. You can't look me in the eye.
God have mercy on him.
Can you look me in the eye?
Don't allow me to do what you.
There you go, lads.
No, I will.
Edge Willie, boys. All over. Yeah, you can't look me in the eye.
Thank you, Jesus.
You see him better when you ain't looking at him.
Listen, it's a bit dark.
Exactly. You see him better when you ain't looking.
You see him better when you ain't got to look at him. Right, you see him a little bit better.
See, how do you get in there?